First of all, we have to install the plugin. So we need the two plugins. One is Advanced Custom Field, and another one is AddonCraft Repeater for Elementor, and the Elementor, obviously, you know. And then I'm going to create some of the fields. So I'm going to create a theme section in a page. So I created a, you know, as you can see, a repeater field. And if I go to the editor here, I already set up some of the, you know, the fields like image, name, and designation. Okay. And this whole thing's gonna display on a specific page. So I'm gonna set a condition to a theme page, and I'm gonna save this one. And then I'm gonna go with the page that we just created. And then if I reload here, let me reload this one. And here, as you can see, the information is displaying. Okay, image, name, and designation. And I'm gonna fill up those information. So let's see that we're gonna use this picture, and let's add the name, some name you can add it. I can add the John. Let's say the CEO. Okay, I'm gonna adding this data, you know, so that this video is not, you know, takes too long. Okay, as you can see, I already updated, you know, the data. I already added the team images, name, and their, you know, corresponding designation. Okay, I'm gonna save this one. Okay, once we save, we can go to the page. You can see that there's nothing gonna be happen here. So I'm gonna go with the edit with Elementor, and it takes a little time. Okay, now we are on a page, and now we have to search for our repeater widget. So I'm gonna go with the repeater widget. Here is this repeater widget. And then here it says, please select a template in the widget setting. And I'm gonna go with the content, and for the content we have to select the repeater field, like which field's gonna be repeatedly, you know, populate. So as we already have created this on the team member, so we're gonna select that team member from here, team member, and then we will create a template. So I'm gonna go with the add template. So it will go to the add template section. Okay, so we are now on a template to create our template for that page. Okay, so I'm gonna, let's say that here you can see the box and everything. So I'm gonna search image. So let's go with image first. So I'm gonna add an image, and I'm gonna here we're gonna use the dynamic tag to, you know, populate the ACF information. I mean ACF data that we created. Okay, so from here, if you click here, then go to the Addonscraft repeater, and here is the image. As you see, the ACF repeater image. Select this one, and then here is a little gear settings icon. Click on here, and the name of the, you know, here you can see the image, the name of the ACF field name. So if I go here, here is a name. Okay, so then I'm gonna select this one, and okay, this is the things that it looks okay. And I'm gonna add more, like I'm gonna add the title, let's say the heading. So I'm gonna adding the heading here, and from here, same way, the dynamic tag and the search for the repeater of here is the Addonscraft repeater, ACF repeater, and the setting icon, and go there and select the name or designation, the two other things we added. So here's a name, goes here, and then I'm gonna add another one, which is the editor. Let's say the same way. So it is you know, the pretty much simple to, you know, set up these whole things. Okay. Okay, so I already set up all the things, and now I'm gonna change the template name. Okay, you can go with this icon, and you're gonna change the template. Let's say the team template. Okay, this one, and I'm gonna put the save, and it will automatically, you know, publish. And I'm gonna go back, so it will go to a normal, you know, our team page. And as you can see there is a 4. We added previously, it actually, you know, comes here. You can see it will give us a little load, and you can publish, and then we're going to visit the page. Here, if we publish, you can see that the 4 team member that we added is going to displaying here. And if we go here, here you can see this all this information is, it looks fine. And also, we can do the tweak about, do the design changes. And also here's just some cool feature, as you can here is a layout. You can change the layout, through 2 column, 3 column, or 4 column, or something like that. And also you can increase or decrease the gap. Okay, this is super easy to use, and it's gonna makes the super. Actually, basically, this is going to be a time saver, that when you have a lot more repeater field, like you have a pricing table or you have some product loop data, so it's going to works with, the product, price table, and everything, okay? And yeah, this is how you can set up, the repeater plugin. And let me know if you have any question. Thank you. Have a good time.